Hey guys and girls, so today we're going to replace the upper ball joint on this Ford Ranger 2010. I think it's the same as the Mazda BT50s. I'll show you the one, this top one here. We're replacing it due to the boot perishing. So obviously first remove the wheel and I'll show you the next steps. So these are the tools required to do the job. You've got your brake bar, 21mm for the wheel nuts, pliers for the split pin, hammer to knock the ball joint out, 17mm to loosen the big nut, 12mm to loosen the top bolts, the old ones, 13mm to tighten the new ones, and a 19mm to tighten the new big nut on the bottom, and Loctite for them top bolts. So before removing these three, we're going to undo this nut. We're going to remove the split pin first. So what we're going to do first, douse it in WD. There we are. Oh no, I'm running out. And then what we want to do is bend that split pin straight. Sorry, it'd be hard to see on this video. We'll get that split pin straight and then we'll pull it out from the other side. So where's the other side? Bit of a rusty nut, that one. I'm just going to try and push the split pin out like that. And then grab your pliers. Try to pull it out. It'll be tight. Like that. This time. There we go. Dirty old split pin. So the nut is a 17mm. So grab your spanner, stick it on there, and we're going to loosen this. It was quite easy actually. Now hopefully the ball joint's not going to spin. There we go, look. Rusty old nuts off. So now what we want to do is tap this with a hammer so that the ball joint drops out of there. Sweet. So what you want, guys, is your jack underneath that arm so that the arm doesn't drop too low, so that it takes the pressure off this sensor and this brake hose. We want it nice and loose. You don't want no tension on that. Now what we want to do is loosen these three 12mm bolts. So I've just got a 3/8 ratchet with a 12mm, and hopefully it'll come out. So we'll just put the other side in loosely. So when we undo the last one, it doesn't twist the ball joint round. There we are, look, we're loose. Sweet. Beautiful. So there's the new one. There's the old one. You can see where the boot's all perished. And it's like really loose. So the old one's got cut washers on. The new one hasn't. So I just put a tiny little bit of Loctite on. Not a lot though. Just like a little drop. So we'll get the new one into place. And then pop our 3 bolts in. Get all 3 in before you tighten one. Just helps it line up with the bolt holes. And tighten these up. So these new bolts are a 13mm instead of a 12. I just got my 13mm spanner. And we'll just nip them up. Sweet. So now what we want to do with a jack underneath, jack this hub up onto the ball joint. There's quite a bit of tension there, but just take it slow and it'll should just pop on. There we go. So just apply a bit of tension on the top there. Get your new nut onto the new ball joint. The new nuts are 19mm. And just tighten her up. So when you tighten your castle nut, line it up with that hole so you can get your split pin in. So we've just bent the split pin round underneath, and that'll stop that nut coming loose. So there it is, all done. Any questions, criticisms, stick them in the comments. Cheers guys and girls.